Hey guys, how's it going? Today is the 14th of August, Saturday, um, and basically I'm gonna do a quick BTC analysis. So just quickly remove all the drawings just to show you what it looks like. You know, we had this structure form over here over the 3 months. Then we had the bear break. It was a head and shoulder, right? I actually do have a drawings for it. Let's remove this one. Now look here, so we formed this head and shoulder. We broke this neckline here. We broke the neckline, boom, we dropped 50% from there, or from here we dropped about 55%. And since then we've been forming this structure here. What I found funny actually is that if you take this structure here, if you take this structure here and push it back, it looks like almost like a mirror image of this one. This is like a head on top of this one. So I've done it. You can see boom, boom, boom. That's the top, and this is the bottom, and that's where we are right now. We're testing this area here, which is very important because you know, that's where we broke down. A lot of people who bought here, who sold here, are now questioning their life choices because, you know, if we're bullish, then they've sold for no reason, right? Unless they rebought over here, which would have been the smartest thing to do. Anyway, so what else we're gonna see? So we had this falling wedge here. We broke out, as I highlighted in my last video. You can see that I got ahead on the 24th. I had the video saying that, look, we broke out of this falling wedge. We're very bullish. We broke out of this downtrend line on RSI as well for a very, very long time. We're bullish, and you know, that's what happened, right? That's what happened. We had a 50%, 63% bull move, which was pretty good. But right now we're losing a bit of steam. You can see the bull volume was the strongest here, and right now we're reducing the volume here as we're going up in a rising wedge formation, which is a bearish structure. So what I'm thinking is we're most likely to reject here because this area is also lined up with this you know, resistance supply zone, that's what you call it. And at least on the first try we did kind of reject from it and formed a daily high low over here at about 43,770 on Binance. And we again went up and poked above it, but the volume here, this candle green volume here, is lower than the bear volume on the consolidation, so that should raise a few eyebrows. The other thing is obviously the rising wedge, which is a bearish structure. We also have the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, which is, if you take it from the top here to the bottom of 30k, from 60k, 64k to 65k to 30k, you got the 0.5 area here, which usually gets some sort of reaction, and maybe it did. We're poking above it, but let's see. And the other thing that we have here is obviously we have RSI. We're getting a bearish divergence. You can see there's a higher high on the prices, but there's a lower low on the RSIs here, right? You can see here lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high here. And if you draw a support here, we broke below it, we tested it, and now we might reject from it, right? We might reject from it. So so those are the signs, right? Those are the signs. What other signs do we have? We have the previous area of support, now resistance. We got 0.5 fibs. We got the rising wedge. We got the volume of this last candle is not the greatest. We got the RSI triangle that rejected and broke, and well, it's getting rejected right now. It hasn't confirmed yet, so maybe I wrote this one prematurely. But so most likely scenario, in my opinion, consolidation to form a weekly high or low over the next month. So yeah, the other point to make here is that if you look at the weekly chart, the weekly chart is very erect, as you say. So you'd want to wait and get on a weekly high low. Maybe it's gonna come back and consolidate at weekly 8 EMA as well, or in this area somewhere between, you know, above 39k, right, around 39k areas. So that's what I want to position myself in. I want to position myself to possibly reload on this weekly high low, and my buy zone will be around here, and it goes all the way to 39k, I guess. The other thing to notice is this low, this trend line here, right? When we were going up, we kind of just went through it pretty easily on the daily here, and we didn't get any action on it. So, but on the way back, if we do come down and retest it over the next few days, maybe it will act as a support. But then again, we got this support here, you know, we got a bunch of support in this area. You can see that over here there's a low volume node, this line here. Maybe that's where we're gonna come down as well, just to retest it. It's like almost a gap kind of thing if you think about traditional markets. So the price might want to come back down to retest this area once again. So that's what I am thinking here, right? That's my thought. I made this as my buy zone. I'm not going to be buying Bitcoin. I'm most likely going to be buying some other altcoin based on the Bitcoin price movement. And then I want to ride it up as a swing, and hopefully I will follow my own advice this time, because I did not buy on this break here. I did not buy on this break here when I gave my own advice, but I do have crypto, which is, you know, my long term, and I'm bullish bias, so I'm not selling it unless I need it for expenses, right? Which I do have quite a few this year. Actually a lot this year, so it's gonna be pretty bad. Anyways, the other thing, when it's coming down to this area, if you look at the RSI, right, RSI, look at this little purple box, I would say, and that's a support. If that lines up a support zone with this one, there's going to be just one more confirmation, you know, of support in this area for RSI. And if we hold above 50 RSI, it would be great for the bulls. It would be very, very good. So that's pretty much all I wanted to say about this Bitcoin, right? And you know, just that's my views. Ethereum versus Bitcoin looks bullish. Just very quickly, we broke out of this triangle formation, which on a weekly should look like a bull flag. Not really, but yeah. So we broke out, and now we're forming another bull flag. So if we do get another leg up, we're going to test these areas, these highs here, right? So it's going to be interesting for Ethereum. And Ethereum kind of looks like where's the drawings here? I don't know why the drawings are gone. Oh, it's on Coinbase, that's why. So we got kind of a what do you call this? The widening wedge. So maybe we will break down it as well for a weekly high low. You got the bearish a little bearish divergence over here as well. So let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. As you can see, my buy zone, that's what I'm thinking about. And if what is the bull case? We might also go up here, right? We might do a wedge overthrow, what is it called? Overthrow, come up, and then collapse after that, which would be another way. Or we might consolidate in a bull flag and then go up, right? We might consolidate in a bull flag, which is I think less likely in my scenario. My most likely scenario is this area here, but we are bullish, so we might not get a lot of consolidation here, because this daily high low at 43.77 will be acting as a support, so we might get some reaction over here, especially if we're coming down fast and we get oversold over here. We're definitely gonna bounce, but we'll see what happens. You know, right now we are not clear on the directions because we are still inside this falling wedge. Once we break out of the falling wedge, then we'll know you know, more information, and we can make clearer assessments. I mean, if you're a bear here would be a good time to short, but you know, everybody's seeing this, the social media, you know, all the traders can see this area, this important area. So you know, when it's too clear, maybe we're gonna get another poke above and then collapse, just to stop everyone out, just to frustrate everyone. That's what the market usually does. It doesn't make it easy for you, it makes it hard for you. It makes it so that your emotions, you're questioning your choices, right? You're losing money, you're getting scared, you're feeling fear. That's what it's all about. Emotional you know, tear. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. If you guys have any questions, please shoot them through. Cheers. Bye.